Hey guys, Riley here. We got fan mail. Sure. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Right here. Okay. Mech Angel Wings. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. A candy cream crown. Oh, I can live with that. Blum Girl. Hi again. Hello. Just gonna say that. Hello. Freedom Dragon Mask. Okay. I don't know what that was. Please? Don't need it. That's not even turquoise. Meet me in a pondable. Oh, you know what? I might be have gone. Yeah, there we go. Okay, fancy top hat. Um, can I delete? Delete that. I don't need that. Okay. Can I go to your den? Sure. Okay. There we go. I don't know what you sent me. Hi, I love your style. Maybe this will help. Oh, lol. OMG, I'm so funny, lols. That's hilarious. Uh, that's funny. That's very, very funny. No, I actually don't want to delete that. That would be sad. Mean and sad. Okay, let's delete the lay. I don't need the lay. Here you go. I have tons of these. Okay. So nothing really rare this time. Can we be buddies, please? Okay, I'll add you. You have full buddy list. Wait, do I have her as a buddy? Hold on, let me check. Fan mail HQ. Who's this? Fiddlestar. That's very funny. Okay, so she's nice. Do I have one girl? I don't, okay. That's very funny. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me get back, please. Your buddy list is buddy, whatever it's called, is full. I'll give her something back. Can we be buddies, please? Rare leg. Oh my god, rare leg armor. Oh my god. I don't need that. I got that in something. Hi again. Cool. Rare flip flop. I wasn't here for that. What do I not need? Nope, not that. I mean, okay. Thank you. Let's see. Do I? I'm gonna get rid of not my rare out. Wait, not my elf. No way. Let's see. Phoenix armor. Ah, here we go. Let's do that. Okay. Hi. And I think that was it. Okay, so thanks. So yeah, that was our fan mail. That was actually kind of cool. I got some pretty good stuff here and there. I got the mail. They were very nice, and I love you guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna give her something back because she really wanted something back. That was good. Something good back. She wanted something good back. Let's start from the head. That's good. I don't really know what's good or not sometimes. But let's see. I'm going to give her I'll give her something good. Oh, you know what? Those don't come out until Christmas time, but yeah. Rare propeller. I think she might have that. What's something good? I don't know what something good is that you want back. No, I'll give you bow and arrows. No, not bow and arrows. How many bow and arrows I have, which is really sad, but hey, sorry. Something good, something good, something good. No, she already had that. Yeah, I don't know. It's so hard. I don't know what you want. Monster teeth. Yeah, I'll give you monster teeth. Can't get those. For Halloween, I guess I'm gonna be a werewolf. How does that sound? No. Maybe a witch? Because I don't know what's coming. Oh, what the? That was weird. Blum. Thanks. NP. But yeah. Well, thanks for watching. That was fan mail. Hopefully I can get some more sometime later on. But before we do that, let's just play around in the water a little bit. I mean, like, yeah, I forgot I gave away my rare mask. Because I want my feather mask for a different feather mask, but still, I mean, I don't mind it. Yeah, this is my little otter, and I love it so much, but I think I need to change it up a bit. Oh my god, no! No, that's scary. That is too scary. That scared me so bad. Okay, what should we give him? Her. Oh, you know what? I need to give her a rare lay. That's adorable. I need to change her color up. Oh, that's so cute. No. Yes. Yes. Yes, blue. Blue's the solution to everything. I don't know why they find that funny, but it's just kind of funny to me. No, we're gonna... No, never mind. Sunglasses. No, sunglasses don't look good. That just makes me sad. No. Flip-flops. I got rare flip-flops now. Yay! I don't know what to put in her hair. I got a moon hat. Oh my god, that looks so cute on her. Why? What? Oh my god, no. I'm a ninja. No. That's not what you would wear to a beach. Sunglasses. You know what? Sunglasses. That's what we got. I would put on my elf bracelets, but I mean, they don't look good on her. And shoes do not look good on her. Oh, except for high heels, so maybe. I love otters. They're so cute. Okay, let's go to the beach. Fan mail was fun today. So I'm just gonna close this Shades Food for Diner. You know what? Let's roleplay. Diner. Take off my rare lay. Like I don't care. But I'm gonna roleplay with that person, whatever her name is. Nick. Who's on? Be right back, guys. I gotta go to back. Okay, so I'm back. Yes. Oh, not me. Not me. Never mind. Sorry. No, I didn't mean to say that. I didn't mean to say that. Why is it so busy all of a sudden? Please don't splash people. Splashes. Just want my red back. It's just too cute.